Do you want to go camping?
Yes!
Come on! Do you see a campfire?
Yes!
Say campfire in Spanish.
I don't know.
Me either! Come on! How am I gonna make this chocolate?
Oh.
Should I make it here in the fireplace or the oven? You're right. Let's do it. Come over here. This is our solar powered microwave. Let me show you. You don't need this or some nasty logs. You open the seal protective wrap. Oh no. You put the chocolate in here. You seal it. Grab where the light is. And now we wait.
Me.
Oh, you hear that? That's when our chocolate is done. Backpack too heavy. Let's go see. Oh, look here. There is chocolate for my sandwich. Yum! As you can see, this microwave is just $5.99. Boots, get over here. So how much is this, Boots?
$5.99.
Say it in Spanish.
I don't know. Dos?
I think you're right. Let's go.